Alex, a 30-year-old graphic designer, moved into a cozy apartment in a bustling city. He was excited about starting his new job and making new friends. After unpacking, he decided to explore the neighborhood. Walking down the street, Alex noticed a small coffee shop with a warm, inviting glow. He stepped inside and ordered a latte. The barista, a friendly woman named Mia, struck up a conversation with him. They chatted about the neighborhood, and Mia recommended a few local spots Alex should visit. The next day, at the office, Alex was introduced to his team. To his surprise, Mia was one of his colleagues, working as a part-time social media manager. They laughed about the coincidence and quickly became good friends, bonding over shared interests in design and photography. One weekend, Alex saw posters about a community event in the local park. Intrigued, he decided to attend. There, he met people from different walks of life, artists, entrepreneurs, and families enjoying the sunny day. Alex participated in a community art project, adding his touch to a large mural. Back at work, Alex was assigned to lead a challenging project. He felt a bit overwhelmed but was determined to succeed. Mia and other colleagues offered their support and expertise. Working late nights and brainstorming sessions, the team finally completed the project, which was well received by their clients. To celebrate the project's success, Alex invited his team and some neighbors he had met to a small get-together at his apartment. The evening was filled with laughter, stories, and plans for future collaborations. Alex felt grateful for the warm community he had found. As the guests left, Mia stayed behind to help clean up. They ended up talking late into the night, discovering more common ground and a shared sense of humor. In the weeks that followed, Alex's life became a blend of work, new friendships, and exploring the city. He realized that moving to this new place was the best decision he had made. As he and Mia became closer, he felt a sense of belonging and optimism about the future.